Here's part 2 of how you can make 5 to 6 figure per month at home. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure you go to my profile and watch it first. The product for promote is affiliate link, and we're going to promote it on social media. But before we do that, let's do this step. To clickfunnels.com and create a simple funnel that asks people for their name and email. The reason why you want to do this is because most people are not going to buy the first time. So we want to make sure we can follow up with them through emails. We take them back to the same product and eventually make a sale. Now put this affiliate into this button right here. This is the link we want to promote on our social media platforms. Since the product that I chose to promote is a weight loss juice, I'm gonna go to social media and download the videos with the highest views. Don't forget to credit the creator as well. Now download these videos and upload them to your new account. Why we're doing this is because this is how we're gonna get people interested in our page. Finally, make sure this link goes into your link in bio right here. Anytime someone clicks the link in our bio and buy the weight loss juice, we earn a commission. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go to the link in my profile, grab my free ebook and learn more. You're also going to find attached the exact same training that taught me how to do this.